to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today, I'm very excited to bring you the Monster LED 5-piece sound reactive multicolor indoor LED light kit. Let's take a look at it. This little bundle is available at Walmart for $19.88. However, it goes on sale from time to time. Like last week, I was able to get it for $10. So this LED kit features two 6.5-foot LED strips, a remote control for it all, and two LED light bars, as well as a dongle to connect to your USB power source. You have one and two individual light bars for you to be able to hook up, and it looks like each light bar has a type A cable where you can go ahead and plug these up. We're going to put these aside for right now. And then it looks like we also get two 6.5-foot LED strips, which are also USB-A controlled. So we're going to go ahead and be able to plug these up. It looks like they've already been plugged up to their own little controller, and we're going to go ahead and put these aside as well for right now. And last but not least, we also have a USB-A to USB-A splitter to be able to plug two of these up at the same time, as well as two separate individual stands for the LED light bars, which is a very nice touch. I only thought they included one at a time, but it's a nice touch to have, as well as two individual screws for you to be able to screw these LED light bars into the wall and into wherever fixture you may need them placed onto. We also have a remote to be able to control all of our, not only our LED bars, but also our LED light strips as well. Unfortunately, there's no app for this LED light kit. However, at $10, it's a steal, as they usually go for $10. Any one of these components are usually $10 on their own, whether the LED light bar or the LED strip on their own. They're usually just $10 on their own, and we happen to have 4 of these, so we got a $40 deal for only $10. That's usually pretty flipping good. And although I will not be sticking to my wall, however, I'm not concerned about the adhesive on the LED light strip, as usually these tend to be pretty high quality, and not to mention that the LED light strip tends to be pretty lightweight, and there's not much weight to hold up to begin with. And I've never really been disappointed by the adhesives that are presented in these LED lights. So in addition to you being able to pick and choose whatever color you want, you can also dim the brightness of this LED kit like so. Although, if I can be honest with you, they're a little bit hard to control because you have to individually aim it at all of them. And if you're not individually aiming it at all of them, they will not work, and they will flash bright white to let you know that they've been set up to the maximum brightness. But again, we can pick and choose our colors. We can go to, you can go to orange, we can go to red, we can go to yellow, we can go to blue, violet, purple. I said purple. In addition to that, it does have certain modes where it'll either strobe, flash, or it'll slide through a smooth gradient of the color lights and the color modes that comes featured. It also do a fade function, right? But the main attractive thing about these is that they're supposed to be sound enabled. So you can go ahead and put them for rhythm for number 1, and as soon as they pick up any sound, they should go ahead and light up. However, it doesn't really look like they sync in one they kind of do their own thing side by side. You can see that they kind of try to sync up, but they don't really do their own thing. They're independent of each other. They want to sync as bad as they want to, but at the end of the day, they do their own thing. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on this light kit? I mean, it seems to work fairly well. I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to sit here and say that this is the end all be all to all of your LED lighting kits. However, for the $10 that I paid for this lighting kit, again, usually these components tend to go for $10 on their own. Individually, we know one by one. However, I was able to get this for $10. Normally retails for $20. I was able to get it for $10. Go to me in the comments. What are your thoughts on this? And if there's comparable LED kits at this price range with this many items. And as always, thanks for watching.